If you're expecting this video to be just like any of my previous ones, you're 100% wrong. And if you think I'm here to do all the work for you, well, guess what? You're 100% wrong again. Oh, and if you're planning to watch this video and then just move on without putting in your own effort, you're 100% wrong again and again. So, if you're not serious about learning and doing your own part, it might be a good idea to close this video right now. If you're still here, I salute you. You're the right person in the right place. Let me break down what's going to happen in this video. The actual lesson will probably take around 1 minute. After that, the rest of the video is all about me guiding you on the steps you need to take to do your own part. So, let's dive into the lesson first. Airport and departure. Havalimanı, havaalanı, airport. Bilet, ticket. Uçuş, flight, uçuş numarası, flight number. Uçak, airplane, bagaj, luggage, varış, arrival, kalkış, departure, gecikmek, delay. Some sentences about these words. Havalimanı, havaalanı. Otelden havalimanına otobüs servisi var mı? Bilet. Biletimde kapı numarası yok. Uçuş, aktarmalı, uçuşma, yetişemedim. Uçuş numarası, uçuş numaranız nedir? Uçak, Ankara'ya bugün başka uçak var mı? Bagaj, el bagajınız çok ağır. Varış, tahmini varış süresi. Kalkış, tahmini kalkış süresi. Gecikmek, 2 saatlik gecikme var. Now it's your turn to do all the work. I've prepared a PDF file. Your part is now to click on the link in the description box to receive this PDF. This PDF contains instructions how to use it, and of course I will explain now. It also contains exercises that you should do in order to practice a little bit. Don't think that learning without doing your own part will get you anywhere far. It might be, or you might get there, but it will take you so much time. You have to put the time and the effort to do the work. So let's start with this PDF file. Let me explain it. Of course, the theme is about airport. You write the week of what, the date. Some instructions over here. First of all, you scan the barcode here to watch the video again while solving this exercise, this PDF, the questions. Then step 2, you have to answer the below questions. Your answers could be very simple, no worries, so you don't have to be advanced in the language to write the answers. Start step by step. When you receive the PDF file, you will join our community, our Turkish learner community. This is a private group where you will send your answers, your thoughts, ask for help, and engage with other learners. Answering all the questions is very important. If you're looking to improve your Turkish, do not underestimate any of the questions because I was in your shoes and I tried all these methods. So in the step 5, we have, with this PDF file, you will receive an audio file. It contains the pronunciation of the words and sentences, slow and fast pace. And if you stay till the end of the video, I have a very nice surprise that I will add for you to receive also. We have the first question. You're going to write that after you watch that video, you write the words and the sentences that you remember. Maybe one word, no problem. 1 word, 2 words only. Maybe a 2-word sentence, you don't remember all the sentence, write it over here. Then you use the words that you remember in a sentence. Maybe 1 word, as we said, 2 words, it doesn't matter, and it could be very simple. For example, a big airplane. It doesn't need to be complicated. In the second page, I put this small exercise to join the words with the same meaning. So you join them. Question 4, you have to continue the sentence with the right words. So these are the same sentences that were in the video. You just add your words, of course. To find the answers, you scan this barcode. Question 5. You do the following crossword based on the words that you just learned. We have here the English words. For example, luggage. Number 1, across. You'll find it. And what does luggage mean in Turkish? You write it. This is a simple game, a nice game to try. Now, here we have to test your memory. Write down the Turkish translation of the below sentences. as much as you remember. So let's say you remember only one sentence. Go back to the video and then repeat it. Then come back here and apply. Of course, as we said, you scan the barcode at the top of this PDF to go to the video easily. Question 5. I've put here some pictures for you to choose one or more and describe what you see. Now, tips. Your sentence could be as simple as saying the color of an object. If you don't have enough vocab, you can search for the meaning of words in Turkish and then write your own sentence. It's okay, you need help. At least at the beginning, search for a word that you don't know in Turkish and write your sentence, and never give up. Remember, the day you plant the seed is not the day you eat the fruit, right? Same as when you're learning a language. We have more things to do. We have in question 8, I have a story over here. In this story, what you're going to do is you're going to use a highlighter, whether it's on the computer or you print out this PDF file, use a highlighter to highlight only the words that catch your attention. Maybe these words you hear them a lot. Maybe while watching a movie you hear a word a lot, you don't know its meaning. Just go on and read it and just highlight some of the words. Write them down where? In the empty box. And if you want to take it a step further, use these words in sentences. Are you up to the challenge? Let me know. So here you write up the words that you just looked up or anything else that will help you learn. Now we have a reflection section. We're not done. In this reflection section, I have put here some example sentences for you to write about. Of course, you don't need to stick with these sentences. You can write something related to the lesson. Was it hard? How can I improve? What part was hard? How can I improve that part? And other reflections. Maybe you can applaud yourself for doing some of the questions. You did it, right? We're not done. In the last page, I've done a study checklist. This is very important. Print it out. I like to print out papers. Maybe you want to use the computer, but here, this is a study checklist. You write the week, you write the task. You're not going to finish this PDF in one day, right? Maybe every day of the week, you're going to do a part. You just write the part here, and then I'm going to do it on Monday, for example. And make sure you do that before one day. At night, let's say, write that tomorrow I'm going to do this or that, or in the early morning. Believe me, this step is very helpful. So what do you think? Are you up to the challenge? Are you going to drive yourself to work more and more and put your time, your effort for learning Turkish? Or are you just going to spend years and years in learning Turkish? Now for the surprise gift that you're going to get with this PDF file. Flashcard game, which you can use on your computers or even send it to your phones while you're waiting for the bus, in the car, wherever you are, you can play with this flashcard game. You have the Turkish word, you just try to remember its meaning, and when you click, you get the sentence of that word. Of course, you know that havalimanı is the same as the one in green, so it's airport. So you close it, you go to this one, you close. We have bagage. What does it mean? Varış. You can close them again. You keep on trying until you memorize the word and the sentences they are used in. So let me know, will this help you learn Turkish? Do you think this way, you doing all the work, will help you learn Turkish faster?